Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video coming up on Umkhokha on Monday when the cookie crumbles. Khulekani makes headlines, sending his life into a tailspin. The Mtembus are overwhelmed by the multiple issues coming their way. Nokubonga is stuck between a rock and a hard place. On Tuesday, will the real Zamxolo please stand up? Khulekani finally rises from the dumps and is ready to take on the world, but not before he tells his family who the real Zamxolo is. The two sisters mend broken fences. On Wednesday, the mountain beckons. Khulekani decides to reclaim his power. Maphalala believes the Mtembus should take Nokubonga back, but Spamandla tells him the cruel truth. On Thursday, ascending in Khulekani'S, Ndlovu pumps up the congregation and makes excuses for Khulekani'S loss of powers. Manzimande is left worried by Sfoqia's utterance about Khulekani. Mabusi wants to visit Nokubonga but is worried she will be rejected. On Friday, behold, the older will serve the younger. Spamandla and Manzimande try to stop Khulekani from climbing the mountain. Khulekani gets overwhelming support to climb and Sfoqia needs to convince the council to be accepted back. Thank you for watching.